Here, these pets are available for adoption.
This is Hank. He's 3, super gentle, and he's been waiting here a long time. Come meet him today. He'd love a couch to call his own.
Here he comes.
Oh, he's coming.
Hey!
There it is.
Oh my gosh, Hank. Show my sky.
Some love.
Oh, thank you. Hi, buddy. You're so sweet. Thank you.
Who's it gonna be?
Oh my gosh! He picked you! Nice! Good boy! Oh my god. That was adorable.
Let's see who he picks. He's making the rounds.
Who's it gonna be?
She picked you! Oh my gosh! I always say he picked me because at the shelter he walked right past everyone else, sat on my feet, and wouldn't move until I said yes. So. Oh my god! He picked you!
Oh, here he comes. Oh! He picked you!
Hey, buddy! Hello! Nice! Choice, pal. Good dog.
Who's it gonna be?
Boy, hi. You're a good one.
Hey, buddy! Good choice! Hey, you picked me! Yes, you're so sweet!
Looks like me.
No? Oh!
It's her! Hi, sweet boy!
Good choice.
You picking me? There you go. Yay, good boy!
Who you picking, buddy?
Is it me? Oh my god.
Come on, buddy.
Here, boy.
Who's it gonna be?
Oh my god.
The moment we met at the shelter, he leaned his whole weight into my leg and refused to let me walk away, so I knew he had picked me.
Just checking everybody
Yeah,
out.
he's got his own little test.
Oh wow, he picked me?
Hey, buddy, over here.
He doesn't care. Look at him.
That's his pick!
He just sat for a second.
Now he's on the move again.
Look at that.
Good spot. Good choice, buddy.
Checking everybody up. Oh, there it is!
Me, look.
Let's see who she goes to.
Oh, here she comes.
No way!
Are you serious?
Oh my god.
She picked you, man.
Oh my god.
Are you serious?
Yes!
Thank you.
Are you serious?
Thank you. That's so cute.
No way. No way. Sam?
That's it. He picked you. Well done. Oh, he's going. He's picking.
The day I visited the shelter, he walked up, dropped his head in my lap, and I knew he decided I was his person. He's choosing you.
Oh, hi, buddy.
Go ahead, give him your hand.
Okay, good boy.
He's so soft.
Who's it gonna be?
Good choice, buddy.
Let's see who he's gonna pick.
He chose you! Oh, he's making his rounds. Who's it gonna be?
Who's it gonna be?
Looking around.
Hi, buddy.
He picked you!
Oh, you're so soft.
Hi, buddy. Hi. That's so good choice. Good boy. Hi, buddy.
Good choice.
Oh, hi, buddy. You picked her.
He walked straight past everyone else, sat on my feet, and looked up like he'd been waiting all along.
Oh, look at that! That's it, he picked you! Oh my gosh!
There it is.
Hi, sweetheart.
He chose you.
That just picked you.
Oh, he picked you.
No way.
Are you serious?
No way. Oh, give a scratch.
I can't believe this. Good boy.
When I knelt down in the kennel, he just climbed into my lap, looked up at me, and I knew right then he'd already picked me.